With many companies returning to work, we understand the amount of uncertainty that is out there. How large a threat is COVID-19 and how can you stay safe? We want to encourage change by minimising the spread of germs in your workplace without having to take extreme measures. This is why we have created packs of high-quality products tested by professionals to keep you safe. Our back-to-work kits have everything you need to limit the spread of COVID-19. Included in the kits is our Dr. Brown's 80% alcohol hand sanitizer, antiseptic wipes, gloves, face masks, forehead thermometers, and a COVID-19 information leaflet. All of these items are available to be bought separately for refilling your packs. The back-to-work packs come in compact size so that they can be on employees at all times. They fit in briefcases, handbags, and can be on all employees' desks. This then means they're easy to access when needed. Our kit is here to make you feel safe and confident going back to work. For more information, please visit our website www.bcbin.com. Thank you.